If it seems impossible to lift the wiper blades on your new Kia or Hyundai vehicle, do not worry, you are not the problem. In today's video, I'm showing you the exact sequence to enter wiper service position. Let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you're gonna wanna start with your vehicle on. I don't have it technically on, the engine isn't running, but it's in accessory mode and that will do just fine. Next thing, you'll have your vehicle shut off. So let's say you reached your parking destination. Then you'll pull your wiper stalk in and push it either upwards or downwards for the mist position. The specific vehicle we're in today has mist at its most down point. However, some of our cars will have it upwards, so just check your specific vehicle. If you didn't notice, our wiper blades have gone completely upright, and if your vehicle is also equipped with a rear wiper, that wiper blade will also enter service position. So it's pointed downwards, allowing you to completely lift your wiper blade. That way you can remove snow and ice buildup, or also just change them completely. I hope this video was helpful. Definitely leave a comment down below if you didn't know this or if it helps you out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.